Hi, I'm Wendy Gardiner. I'm going to show you how to use this so easy to attach hook and loop velour tape. Hook and loop tape is a great fastening when you want to be able to open and close things quickly. You can use it on garments or soft furnishings, all sorts of projects. Hemline's tape comes in two colours, black and white, and you have a hook tape and a loop tape. If you're attaching it to a garment, I suggest putting the hook tape away from the body and then the loop tape facing the body. So if it wasn't fastened, you won't get scratched. I'm going to show how to attach it by machine. So I've cut my tape to size and I'm just going to machine sew it in position. I'm going to sew down the long edges and across the short edges. Now, if I needed it to be even more firmly attached, if it had to be a very robust fastening, I could also sew down the centre of the tape. It's now sewn in position. I've done the same with the hooks, so they now go together nicely. And what I can do now is I'm going to finish a glasses case or spectacles case. I've done the outer and I've just got to sew around here to create the lining. So there's my little glasses case finished, or of course it could be a pen case. You pop them in, push them down, and it keeps them nice and safe and protected. I've also used Velcro fastening here. This is a cafetiere cozy. And again, wrap it round your cafetiere, keep your coffee hot and relax at leisure. Or a lunch bag. So pop your lunch in your bag and then you just roll down the top and it fastens, ready to carry to work. I hope you've enjoyed that video clip. There are plenty more Hemline videos on youtube.com/Hemline International. And also, most of the products we've shown have extra colours or extra sizes. So to see more, go to www.hemline.com.